Imagine this. In every relationship, there's a hidden wish list that guys carry around in their heads. It's not written down, and they might not even say it out loud, either because they don't know how to put it into words or it feels a bit vulnerable to admit. But understanding these unspoken desires can transform your connection, making it deeper, more fun, and way more satisfying for both of you. Today, we're diving into 7 key things that men often crave in a relationship but rarely ask for. We'll unpack each one, explore why it's such a big deal, share some real-life scenarios to make it relatable, and give you practical ways to bring it into your dynamic. Let's jump right in. Starting with number 1, he wants you to be happy. Now, this might sound straightforward, but it's deeper than you think. Picture a guy trying to say, "Hey, could you just be happy?" It comes out awkward, forced, maybe even a little desperate. No wonder they don't ask. But here's the core of it. Your happiness isn't just about you, it's a mirror reflecting back on him. When you're genuinely joyful, it validates his role in the relationship. It makes him feel like he's succeeding as a partner, protector, and provider. Think about it from an evolutionary angle. Historically, men have been wired to ensure the well-being of their loved ones, and in modern times, that translates to emotional fulfillment. I've heard from countless couples over the years, and a common theme emerges. When she's content, the whole vibe shifts. If you're unhappy, he might start feeling inadequate, like he's dropping the ball. This can lead to him pulling away, not because he doesn't care, but because he's unsure how to fix it. He might dive into problem-solving mode, trying to repair whatever's bothering you, or he could avoid the situation altogether, hoping it resolves on its own. But flip that script. When you're radiating happiness, it boosts his confidence and draws him closer. So, how do you make this work? It's not about faking a smile. Authenticity is key. Focus on self-care that genuinely lights you up. Whether that's pursuing a hobby, spending time with friends, or tackling personal goals. Share those positive moments with him, like recounting a funny story from your day, or expressing gratitude for something small he did. This creates a positive feedback loop where your happiness fuels his, and vice versa. Remember, it's not his job to make you happy 24/7. That's an inside job. But when you prioritize your own joy, it naturally enhances the relationship. Over time, this builds a foundation where both of you thrive. Moving on to number 2, he wants you to take interest in his interests. Guys light up when you dive into their world, even if it's just a little bit. Whether it's cheering for his favorite sports team, joining him on a hike, or asking about that video game he's obsessed with, showing genuine curiosity creates an unbreakable bond. Why don't they ask? It might feel needy or like they're imposing their guy stuff on you. But when you engage, it's like bridging 2 worlds, making him feel seen and valued beyond the everyday romance. Let's paint a picture. Suppose he's a huge fan of a particular band. Instead of just nodding along when he mentions them, surprise him by listening to their latest album and sharing your thoughts. Maybe you love the lyrics, or the beat gets you moving. Suddenly, that passion he has transfers a bit to you, strengthening your connection. Or take hobbies. If he's into building model cars, ask to see his latest project and genuinely admire the details. It's not about becoming an expert. It's about sharing the enthusiasm. Research in relationship psychology backs this up. Studies show that couples who participate in each other's interests report higher satisfaction levels. It's called shared activities, and it fosters intimacy by creating common ground. But beware of overdoing it. If it feels forced, it'll backfire. Start small. Watch a game together and ask questions about the rules, or try a recipe from his favorite cuisine. The key is authenticity. Find aspects you can truly enjoy. When you do, it not only makes him feel appreciated, but also opens doors for him to reciprocate with your passions. This mutual interest exchange keeps the relationship fresh and exciting, preventing it from falling into routine. Now, number 3, he wants you to initiate sex sometimes. Bold, right? But let's be real. Guys aren't always the ones driving the intimacy train, even if society paints them that way. Initiating shows desire, and that can be incredibly affirming. Why the silence on this? It could stem from fear of rejection or not wanting to seem pushy. But when you take the lead, it flips the dynamic in a thrilling way, making him feel wanted and pursued. Think about the element of surprise. Maybe light some candles, play that playlist you both love, and make the first move. Or send a flirty text during the day to build anticipation. It's not about frequency, it's about balance. If you're always the initiator, ease off and let him step up. But in many relationships, guys secretly wish for more of that proactive energy from their partner. From a deeper perspective, this ties into emotional vulnerability. Sex isn't just physical for men, it's a way to connect on a profound level. When you initiate, it reassures him that the attraction is mutual and strong. Experts in sex therapy often highlight how this shared initiation reduces pressure and increases pleasure for both. To make it engaging, experiment with variety. Try new locations, role-playing, or simply expressing what you want verbally. Communication here is golden. It ensures everyone's on the same page. Ultimately, this fosters a more egalitarian intimacy where both feel empowered and desired. Shifting gears to number 4, he wants to be praised and acknowledged. This is like fuel for his soul. A simple thank you or compliment can make his day, but guys rarely beg for it. It might come off as insecure. Yet deep down, they crave that validation, knowing they're making a positive impact. Consider everyday moments. He fixes something around the house. Say, "Wow, you're so handy. I love how you handled that." Or after a tough day, acknowledge his efforts. "I really appreciate how hard you work to support us." These words expand his sense of self-worth. Psychologists call this positive reinforcement, and it strengthens bonds by encouraging more of those behaviors. Expand on this with specifics. Praise his character traits, like his kindness or humor, not just actions. For instance, "You always know how to make me laugh. That's one of my favorite things about you." Avoid generic flattery. Make it sincere. In long-term relationships, this keeps the spark alive, countering complacency. If praise is scarce, he might withdraw, feeling unappreciated. But regular acknowledgement? It builds resilience and closeness. Try keeping a mental note of things to compliment and watch how it transforms interactions. Number 5, he wants you to encourage him to adventure. Freedom is huge for guys, but they're often hesitant to ask for it, worried it'll hurt your feelings or seem like they're ditching the relationship. Yet, supporting his independence, time with friends, solo hobbies, or even a weekend trip shows trust and understanding. Why is this vital? Men, like anyone, need space to recharge. It's not about escaping you. It's about maintaining individuality, which ultimately enriches the partnership. Encourage it by suggesting, "Hey, why don't you hit the golf course with your buddies this weekend? I'll catch up on my shows." This gesture creates reciprocity. He'll value your time together more. From attachment theory, secure relationships thrive on this balance of closeness and autonomy. Without it, resentment can build. Share stories of couples who've mastered this. One partner pursues painting classes while the other joins a book club, and they reunite energized. Practical tips: plan separate outings regularly, discuss boundaries openly, and celebrate each other's adventures. This fosters a dynamic where both grow independently and together. On to number 6, he wants your confidence in him. This means trusting him to handle tasks without micromanaging. It's tough to ask for because it exposes vulnerability. If he fails, it stings. But showing faith boosts his ego and deepens your bond. Example: ask him to plan a date night, then let him run with it, no backseat driving on choices. Or delegate household chores and resist correcting. When you do this, it signals respect for his capabilities. Contrastingly, constant oversight erodes trust, making him feel inadequate. In leadership psychology, this is akin to empowerment. Giving responsibility breeds confidence. Apply it broadly. Support his career decisions. Believe in his dreams. Verbalize it. "I know you'll nail that presentation. You're great at this." Over time, this creates a supportive environment where he feels capable and motivated to reciprocate. Finally, number 7, he wants respect. This tops the list in many long-lasting relationships. It's the glue holding everything together. Respect isn't grand gestures, it's in the details. Listening actively, honoring commitments, valuing differences. Why silent on this? It's abstract, hard to pinpoint. But disrespect shows quickly, in interruptions, tardiness, or dismissing opinions. Instead, practice courtesy. Say please and thank you, even for routine things. Appreciate shared finances by thanking him for a meal out, regardless of who pays. Studies on marital success emphasize respect as foundational, reducing conflicts and increasing empathy. Make it habitual. During disagreements, focus on understanding rather than winning. Celebrate uniqueness. It's okay to disagree on movies or politics. This cultivates a safe space for vulnerability. Wrapping it up, these 7 desires, your happiness, shared interests, initiation in intimacy, praise, encouragement for adventure, confidence, and respect, form a roadmap to a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. By tuning into these unspoken needs, you create a partnership that's not just surviving, but thriving. It's about mutual understanding, where both sides feel valued and connected. Keep these in mind and watch the magic unfold.